start with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some sardine, you're going to need some vinegar, you're going to need some spicy mayonnaise, or if you don't like spicy mayonnaise, regular mayonnaise will do. I like it hot. So this is my hot sauce. I'm in Portugal, as you can read, and some delicious roasted sesame seeds. Of course, the salad here is already pre-cut because this is a sexy salad on a budget and time friendly. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is open, of course, my sardines. By the way, this meal is so cost effective and it saves you a whole lot of time. So usually what I like to do for my seasoning, I don't just make a seasoning for that one time I'm going to eat salad. I usually make sure to be able to have at least 2 portions for my seasoning so that when I come from work, all I have to do is wash my salad and add my seasoning on top. So this is the second one. So in this one, we have in each of the can, we have 3 sardines. And it's actually really healthy. I'm always trying to find ways to eat healthy, even if I eat salad. Sardines are just amazing for your health, and there is so many nutrients such as omega-3 and the oil of the sardine. This is actually healthy oil. So you see me, it's not really cooking. That's why I'm not even in, I'm not even in the kitchen because I wanted to film in a way where you can see properly with my lighting. The lighting would have been a mess in the kitchen. And on top of that, I am not by myself, so I'm doing this really quickly. And that's that. So once you have your sardines, what I like to do is make sure the camera is moving. I like to make sure, let's just move this so that it becomes as chopped as possible. And for that, I just use a fork. And I promise you, this recipe is so easy, but just because it is easy doesn't mean that it's not delicious. I mean, it's just my fave. I was gonna say at the moment, but actually anytime I eat salad, maybe a little twist will be too. Now usually I was gonna lie. Now usually I stick with sardines, and luckily I'm in Portugal, so it's very cost effective as well. And again, there is so much nutrients and it's healthy fat, so I like that, and the taste is amazing as well. So what more can you ask for? Now I'm going to add my spicy mayonnaise. I like this one because it just is one of my favorites. So I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, I'm sharing what works for me because salad can become so boring. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. This is regular vinegar. But yeah, salad can become so boring that I had to find a way. And where there is a will, there is a way. So I'm going to now mix. And I try to not add too much mayonnaise because it's fattening, but come on. At the end of the day, this is nothing. This is going to be digested just as if it was water. So basically, all the calories are in here, and it's gonna be fine. But the one thing with that recipe is that it's really filling. You don't feel hungry after, you do feel like you ate, because sometimes when you do just a simple seasoning, or the seasoning that comes from the store and that's usually in this type of packaging, I mean, it's missing something. And sardines definitely help make you feel full. Now I'm going to go with the roasted sesame seed. Sesame seed. Love, love, love. There's nothing I like more than, when you actually take a bite and you feel the sesame seed just explode in your mouth. So I'm very generous with it. I love, love, love. So, of course, if you don't like spice, if you don't like sesame, you choose and pick what you're going to add to your sexy salad. And then, of course, I go with my hot sauce. I'm a hot sauce girl. I like when it's hot. If you do not like when it's too hot, there is a mild, medium, and very hot. Or you can add anything else. Basically, I'm just giving you, yes, I know it's a lot of hot sauce, a lot of hot sauce. But basically, the idea is to find a way to make it fun when it comes to salad. I'm tired of the feeling hungry after eating a salad. I mean, I don't see the point even, because if I'm hungry after eating a salad, then I'm probably going to end up on Uber Eats. And yeah. And by the way, it may seem like it's a lot of calories, but remember the salad. Honestly, I feel like the salad is more like decoration. I'm just kidding. It's the mix of them both that is tasty, but this is basically 0 calories. And then you have that. And that's that. And as I mentioned, I like to prep for more than just one meal. So I'm going to be good for tomorrow. So now what I would like to do is just actually, usually I would have made sure to not put all the salad together. But for the purpose of this video, I had to, because I like to actually put 2 layers of my secret sexy salad seasoning. And then maybe one more. Then it's almost like a cake, a 2-level cake. I wish. And then on top, yes. And what's amazing is that it's so cost effective and time effective as well. Like, it doesn't take a whole lot of time. If I wasn't filming, I would have already been done. And that's that. I am now going to add a little more vinegar. Around the salad. And don't worry, this is going to be just fine, because I'm actually super hungry. So then what I do is I don't actually mix everything together. What I like to do when I eat it is actually pick some of the salad that is not covered, bring it on top, and voila. Okay, so now it's time for me to eat. And I hope this video was helpful, and let me know what you think of the sexy salad by Wendy. And let me know if you would like more recipes and more recipes that are going to help you on your weight loss journey, because there's nothing worse than eating healthy but not enjoying your food. There's always a way to enjoy the food that you're eating and still make it tasty. So this is it for the sexy salad. Tell me in the comments down below what you would like to know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And of course, give me a thumbs up so I know if you want more videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.